Hi gorgeous! Today we are playing with more new makeup that I purchased from the Sephora VIB sale. So let us commence. Okay, so we are going to give a bronzer another try. This Divine bronzer from Pat McGrath Labs. I did do it in my last playing with new makeup video. I used it, but I also had on a contour and a blush. So I don't feel like this got a really fair chance. We will skip the huge introduction, and I'm just going to tell you that obviously the packaging is stunning. Oh, and I will show you the inside because she's a beauty too. She really is. If anything, if you don't like the product, you have a very nice vanity piece. At least she's beautiful. We love a nice Pat McGrath design. Now, I am testing this Makeup Forever foundation right now. It's exactly what I have on my skin. So all these products are going to be powder because we know, right, that if you have on powder foundation, you can't really mix it with cream products. But I actually do have one cream product that I do want to try. So we're going to try it on top. But I heard it works, so we'll see. And to stay loyal to Miss Pat, we're going to go in with the Pat McGrath Labs powder brush. She does have some red undertones in this product. This one is in the shade, Bronze Divinity. I always get so nervous with bronzers because it can really mess up the whole face. So you can definitely see the red undertones in this shade. I do like that she is buildable. That first swipe, it was there, but it certainly wasn't like this. So building on top of it, she still looks really smooth. Very nice product. Like, she went on like a dream. Look at the difference of bronzer. I cannot with the difference. The power of makeup is unreal. Unmatched. Okay, going in, definitely tapping off. It's that red is, that's unmatched. Wow. I feel like I should have definitely gotten this in a different shade because some reds can look more like dirt. So this is one pickup of product. Obviously not one swipe, but that's one pickup of product. And this is two. I'm going to go in pretty light on the forehead because of the red undertone. And I don't want too much on there. Anybody else have this problem? One side of your face of makeup looks better than the other side. So this side definitely looks better, but I am left-handed. Fun fact, I'm a lefty. So obviously my reach and my application is better on this side as opposed to this where I'm kind of don't have it down pat yet. Like this, I need to clean up for sure. For sure. But we're going to keep rolling. I do have a new product that hopefully can clean this up. Overall, am I British now? Overall, this is it's a beautiful product. Like the application is very smooth. It went on like a dream. It's not patchy. It didn't pick up any of the product, any of the foundation. Yeah, this side looks horrible. The way my own fault, not the product. But I'm gonna clean that up. This is her from far away. Let's just look at this side. She does look really nice. So nice that I would go and get another shade of it, a lighter, less red shade. Yeah, I'm glad we gave Miss McGrath a fair chance there. Didn't try to mix her with a contour again. She deserved her own moment. Yeah, she looks good. So with this mess going on, kind of changes my plans a little bit. Let's go ahead and see if we can clean that up. Enter Miss Laura Mercier. Let's give her a round of applause, shall we? Okay, She is like, I'm dubbing her the queen of setting powders. She is the one who made a translucent loose setting powder cool. Like, it's her product. So this is the Real Flawless Luminous Perfecting Pressed Powder. And it is in the shade translucent. So we'll see if we can just kind of clean this up using this product. This is in a compact. It has a kind of dome-like top, which I like. Protective film, gotta love that. I actually, you know what, I'm gonna go in with, this is from the Makeup Forever compact. You know what, we'll save that for the product it's meant to use, and I'm gonna go in with, I've got it, one sec. These little guys that have been trending all over social media, and I guess today's the day that I will first use one. I've had it for forever though. So this is what she looks like, and I'm just gonna go right on in. Yes, to the cleanup. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, Miss Laura. So that, I am amazed at how much better that looks. It was like all over. Whoops. So I love that she is undetectable. This is such a lightweight formula that the cleanup on aisle 3 was very easy. So smooth, so simple, and it doesn't look like I just took a bunch of makeup and piled it on top. It looks more like I actually applied the bronzer the right way the first time, which we all know that was a lie. Like, translucent is the correct word for this product because yeah, she's pretty undetectable. She doesn't look makeup-y at all. Very lightweight, very nice. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and set smile lines and, you know, all that good stuff. Okay, so I do like this little powder puff. It's a great way to get in those nooks and crannies and show off your nails. Totally kidding. Oh, this compact, this little, if it had like an on-the-go type situation that you could keep with it, like inside, this would be perfect to just put in your little pocketbook and stay flawless all the live long day. Cute, cute little moment. Thank you, Laura, for the rescue, Laura, for the win today. I'm a little nervous about this, but I am well aware, so no need to tell me in the comments. I'm gonna go in with this Cream Matte Beauty Blush Wand. I do understand I have powder products on, so if it doesn't work out, I'm obviously not going to blame the product, but I've been dying to try this. It is in the shade Pink Pop, and this apparently is like one of her best products ever. So we'll just go right in. Easy Liquid Blush. What do I want to do? I'll go in with my fingers. And I've also been hesitant to use it because look how pretty and white this is. Gosh, it's perfect. Whatevs. Okay, let's do this together. Ooh, I don't know why. I don't know why I just did that. Okay, she's cute. She's a cute moment. I love, look how pink. Okay, I'll go in with a little more. It's almost like it's like glowing. So I don't know if a little goes a long way, but if so, we'll just ask Laura to save us again. Let me do finger first. I'm definitely going to tap, seeing as I do have the powder product on, so I'm just going to tap as opposed to swirling and moving everything. Come on, Charlotte. Okay, so kudos for one for not having this whole look turn out to be a flop because it did cooperate with us on these powder products. Also, I do actually enjoy that it's not like bam in your face pink. I like that it's like a nice natural flushed look. I feel like the hype is like, it's a cute product for sure. She was just pretty expensive, and I'm not like, we're gonna add some more. I know I already have enough on, but we're just gonna go for it. Let me use a beauty blender. But I am doing the same tapping motion. Okay, so this second layer, I'm not sure if you're catching like the gorgeousness of this color. But yeah, she's for sure a beauty. Oh, I love a good cheekbone moment. Don't forget with Charlotte Tilbury products, close your cap back. Twist it back, closed, open, twist it back, close it, or you will have a big pink liquidy mess. Oh, I'm glad I got to try it. So in person, like, yeah, this is a little too much blush. Like, if you're looking at me, be like, what are you blushing about? I'm not. It's Charlotte Tilbury. But she does look... This side of my face, I'm just feeling is not it today. So let's look at this side. She's very, very pink and poppy. Like, Pink Pop is a good name for her. She did go on easy. And yeah, once again, kudos for cooperating with powder products underneath. That's a major plus. And that might be why she actually went so viral. Yeah, she's gorgeous, all right. It's a nice, beautiful matte shade. You gotta admit. She's pretty gorge. Now to tone everything down, once again, you can go in with your favorite setting powder. Today, we're just trying this one. I'm not saying it's my favorite already, but I'm gonna go in with this from Blinged Brushes. This is the F11, and we'll just do a couple swipes. I don't know why I'm looking to see if it's on there. It's translucent, Holly. Okay. And just to tone things down, just gonna go in and go over it. That is a really pretty blush. There she goes. We're looking better now. Now for some lips, we're gonna try this lip liner from LYS. We love the packaging. I love the triangle. I don't know why, probably because it's very different, innovative, but all of LYS's products have a triangle type form. Some way, shape, or form, there's a triangle. And LYS stands for Love Yourself, and also this is a black-owned brand. Okay, this is the Speak Love Smooth Glide Lip Pencil in the shade Intentional. Look at how sharp and precise. I cannot look at that. This is my favorite kind of lip pencil. The one that actually looks like, you know, the #2 pencil that you had to have during test time in elementary school. This is the best type of lip liner. Wow, look at that color. That's so pretty. You know what else I love? I love that you can use this and it doesn't just like melt down to nothing. It has some substance to it. Like, it holds its point. Look at how nice that is. So that liner is beautiful. Like, the precision is real. I feel like I'm in an early 2000s video right now, but the precision in this is unmatched. Now for the topper. I think I want to go in with this from Bobbi Brown. It is the Extra Lip Tint, and I'm pretty sure it's not even really it's just a tint, but I've yet to use it. Packaging, super cute. Gorgeous little moment. Yeah, so this is just looks like a balm. But we're gonna see if we can't smudge things together. Oh, what a pretty tint. Wow, I was really expecting like not really anything, just because it's just a little tint. It looked like it was going to be just a clear balm that you keep in your pocketbook, you know, when your lips are a little dry. Cute little moment. And now to be extra, but not really, we're going to go in with this from Haus Labs. We've tried this. We love this. This is the Radiant Gel Powder Highlighter in the shade. Oh, this is not the one that I want. This is Pink Amethyst. She's beautiful. She is, but I want Sunstone. Okay, so we wanted Sunstone, but let's do a side-by-side so you can see the difference. Pink Amethyst, Sunstone. mean, they're both stunning. Oh, we love them. But we're going to go in with Pink Amethyst today. I mean, gosh, Sunstone. Get her good and lathered up there, sister. This one has a more natural look to it than the Pink Amethyst. Obviously, the Pink Amethyst is going to have quite a bit of pink. And this one is more of that, like, starlit glow, lit from within shine. Isn't she gorgeous? Gosh, she's beautiful. It's not too highlighty either. It's not like Cookie from Benefit Cosmetics. This is very much like I can wear this every day and not feel overdone. That's beautiful, gorgeous, stunning. Now, let me finish the rest of my makeup. Okay, gorgeous. So this is the finished look of the day. I love it. I actually like the little pop of pink. It kind of matches my little top here. Super cute. Love the makeup. We are slowly but surely getting through all my purchases from the Sephora VIB sale. Let me know what you think down below, what your favorite product was. I honestly think the product that stole the show was this from Laura Mercier. This saved the show, if I'm being real. Thank you so much for watching, and I will be seeing you in the next video. Bye.